Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for a smooth replacement process. First, power off your HP 15's fq4014ns laptop and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and pulling the battery out. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, locate the screws securing the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. Once the back panel is off, you will see the internal components of the laptop. It's a good practice to clean the internals with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the laptop's performance and longevity. Remember, if you're unsure about handling this part, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is in top shape. Now, locate the screen connector. It is usually situated near the hinges of the laptop. Carefully disconnect the screen cable by gently lifting the connector. Be cautious not to pull the wires, as they may tear. If you're feeling uncertain about this step, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home, which eliminates the need for calls or travel. Next, remove the screws that hold the screen in place. Depending on the model, there may be 4 screws, 2 on each side. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take these out. Keep these screws safe as you will need them for the new screen installation. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the screen away from the frame. Be careful to support the screen as you detach it, as it can be fragile. If you're handling a broken screen, ensure you wear gloves to protect your hands from any sharp edges. Now, take your new screen and align it with the frame. Secure it by tightening the screws you removed earlier. It's vital to ensure the screen is positioned correctly to avoid any display issues. If you're unsure about your installation, remember we provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind before committing to any service. After securing the new screen, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard. Ensure it clicks into place firmly so that it makes a solid connection. This step is crucial for the display to function correctly. Next, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear a click, indicating that it's securely in place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to hold the back panel firmly. Finally, reinsert the battery by sliding it back into its compartment. Plug in your laptop and power it on. You should now see the new screen displaying properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, our services include professional diagnosis without obligation to help you troubleshoot any problems. Congratulations on successfully replacing your HP 15's fq4014ns screen. This guide has equipped you with the knowledge to perform this essential maintenance task with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.